Hey y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on really quick with you guys. I know in like all of the other videos there has been like multiple steps, multiple minutes, but no, we're not gonna do that. It's gonna be a wham wham bam, thank you ma'am. Okay, so this is one of my factory made units, and honestly I've been loving factory lately. Now if this would have been like a couple years ago, you know, I was all for Glueless. I mean, look at the hairline. I was all for custom made, but honestly, absolutely loving the factory made. Like, love it. So, turn the wig inside out. You want to make sure that you clip these together, adjust the band to however it needs to be for your head. And then this, I think this is where people get it twisted. I do this to make sure I'm putting them on both at the same time, okay? Now, I literally think I found the freaking trick by putting the two bands together on these pre-made wigs, because this shit is so snug and so tight. Okay, so you can usually put the makeup or the tint outside or under. I'm gonna grab what I need, and I'm actually gonna place it under. I usually do it outside, but I wanna do something different, but still quick. Y'all, still very quick, okay? Bam. Guess I'm gonna put on the outside too. Quick, okay? Take your I do scissors first, split in the middle, then I do edge brush. Okay, now that the lace is cut, I'm gonna go ahead and take my spritz. Y'all know I love me some spritz, and I'm just gonna put it right there. Boom, boom, right across the hairline. That's it. Glueless, yes. However, y'all, this is still, lace is still a fabric. You still need something to help it camouflage, give the illusion, and the spritz does that. The spritz, the Eben, what else? The Tresemme hairspray does that. Look at it. Look, where's the lace end? Where does the lace begin? Where? Tell me where. Okay, literally easy to install. Now, because I'm a little extra, I am gonna go on with my Dreya Michelle the Perfect Touch pen. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so here's my pen, the Perfect Touch. So it has the directions, ingredients, the name. So the trick to getting like a seamless, flawless part concealer, I do not pluck my parts, okay, because that takes away the longevity of the lace. Now, two things. One, I did over bleach my knots, so that's why I'm going to be using my pen, because I over bleached the knots. And then you can see the cap and then my hair, so that's where the concealer is going to come in. Okay, so you want to just take your concealer. I'm literally trying to keep this video so short. I'm hoping I don't need a part 2. Oh my gosh, I put too much, y'all. Okay, I put too much, don't worry. Okay, so I put too much concealer, as you guys seen in the last clip, so I'm just gonna take my spoolie and just rub it in and spread it out. And it is gonna make the part appear to be a little wider than what it really is, but that's okay. Just take my pen, and I like to just dab it on the side, so that way we don't have a little, you know, too much product. So again, I'm using this because my knots were over bleached. I'm sure you guys saw that in the beginning clips. And yes, I'm taking my time. You guys can see this is where I applied it, this is where I didn't. My gosh, I'm trying to look through the phone. I hope I do not mess up. But you guys can already see, you can no longer see where the cap ends and where the cap begins. And you can also see the part getting smaller. Okay, so I did this side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the opposite side. All right, and just like that, and just like that, we're done. Now the product does need to dry, You can spread it on out. Look at the difference in the part. Look at the hairline. Easy install.